Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine. We're here at CES 2022. This is the Glytch. Not this, not this, not this, but this is the Glytch. And we're going to talk about that next on Geekazine. All right, so we got the Glytch here, and this is the Glytch Battle Station, which is a fully functional gaming desk, which if you're into gaming, especially if you're into doing competition gaming, this might be a great desk to get because everything that you need is right there. Inside, it's Alienware. Alienware inside.
So indeed, yeah, you take a look in here if you want to get closer video shot. But yeah, you can slide this open. You can see the Alienware AIO in here. It's currently got a GeForce RTX 3090 card in it. That, of course, can be upgraded, as technologies evolve. Yeah. We've also designed it with quite a bit of space inside. And so, for example, our CEO actually has an Xbox in here.
So you can put a couple PCs, a couple gaming consoles, different things like that.
And one of the things that's very cool about this is extremely well ventilated. We've got vents out the back. We've got vents out the front. When you get a chance, you can take video underneath, but there's lighting on these vents that you can probably see even from that angle. Yeah,
I see the fans. The fans are spinning right there.
Indeed.
Up there. There we go.
Yep.
So let's do this.
So, but yeah, that's our intent. We're taking pre-orders at the show. This is a prototype here, but when we go into production, this will retail for roughly $5,000 all in.
Okay.
It's a computer and everything else, but
it's $5,000, and this is the Battle Station by Glytch. Let's get an underneath shot here. So there's the underneath the desk. There's a little pin-looking thing in there. What is that?
That, I believe, is just locking the legs, because the legs will fold for easy transportability. So you could ship this off to an esports event.
Got it.
And right now, that's just locking it in place. That'll probably be a little bit cleaner once we actually go to production, but that's what we're at right now. The shipping version will be lighter than this because this case is ultimately probably going to be carbon fiber.
Okay. What is it right now? Just wood?
Yeah, it's just wood right now with a really nice veneer on it.
All right, cool. Well, between $3,000 and $5,000, if you're looking to get in some ultimate gaming and you got the space, there you go. It's the Glytch Battle Station. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
And that's the Glytch Battle Station. Lots of cool stuff. CES 2022, the Masked Edition. Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine. We've got a lot more coming during the showtime, so check it all out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notification for the next video. Until next time, you guys geek out and take care. It's CES 2022.